Pa quality sy'n cymryd i fod yn gweithio chwarae wych? Fi'n credu i fod yn gweithio chwarae wych mae angen chi rhoi amser i'r plant. Mae angen chi gwrando, mae angen chi fod yn hwyl, mae angen iddo chi gallu fod yn dynameg, mae angen chi gallu addasu, a mae rhaid i chi fod yn caring. Ti angen gofalu am y plant, ti moyn mwyn gofalu am y plant, a os mae hwnna'n dod gyntaf, wedyn pobl arall gallu cwmpa mewn lle.
I actually used to go to the after-school club here to be able to have an impact as much as they had an impact on me. Even if it's just in the smallest ways, that just makes my day.
I go around hundreds of different play settings in out-of-school childcare over the years doing training. I've never seen one job the same and one playworker role the same. I think it's the playwork approach that is really important and making sure that the playwork approach comes through in every playworker role.
I'm always willing to let children explore and experiment, and I try not to say no. I try and say, why don't we instead? So as a play worker, your responsibility is to facilitate a pathway for people to play. Not just children, young adults, young people, adults. You never stop playing. You shouldn't stop playing. The way you play changes. And I think it's very important to be reminded of that.
I'd say 100% to just go for it. It's so important, and you can see us creating this kind of ethos and this amazing environment where people can learn, and it's child-led. I think it's so important.